Breaking in right now is M&M with this number. Look at the spike up that's come in the stock. A 2% spike up coming in the stock. Look at the numbers also. The numbers are also, I mean, there are good set of numbers coming in for M&M. If we see the revenue, that's in line. PAT is in line. The margins, however, have given an upside surprise. It's above what we were penciling in. Revenue has come in at 2% uptick of on a year-on-year basis at 30,964 crores. The net profit is up 19% on a year-on-year basis. That is also largely in line with ET Now estimates of 2,964 crores. The EBITDA is up 31% on a year-on-year basis at 4,810 crore rupees, and the margins that has beaten the estimates. That is up 136 basis points on a year-on-year basis at 15.5% versus 14.2% on a year ago period. So that's largely the numbers coming in. A sharp spike up, as we can see, on M&M coming in there. But to get you the review on how the numbers are looking like, let's get on board Ashwin Patil, Head of Fundamental Research, LKP, who's joining us now.
Absolutely. Ashwin, hi, good afternoon. Thanks so much for joining us on the show. Give us your first take on what the numbers look like. Largely, they look like a very decent set of numbers to us because revenue and PAT are in line. But it's on the EBITDA front, EBITDA and EBITDA margins that have beat our expectations as well. Are they above or ahead of what you were penciling in as well? And overall, give us your first take on what you're making of M&M's Q3 numbers.
Yeah, good afternoon. M&M has come out with a robust set of numbers in Q3, and margins are slightly above our expectations. And if you look at the segment-wise breakup, then autos as well as farm equipments both have performed stupendously. And if you see, it is the auto business margins are slightly above our expectations because we believed that, since the launches of EVs had happened, and EVs generally do have slightly lower margins, but, still M&M has managed to put up a very good show in Q3. And even on the farm equipment side, we had a good monsoon this year. The reservoir levels are quite high. Also, the Kharif production was quite good because there was no unseasonal rain this year, and because of that, also the Rabi sowing has become strong. So I think the coming quarters also the company will be putting up a very good show on the farm equipment side as well. And on the SUV side, I think both of the segments have come out with great margins at 9.5% margin at their auto business and more than 18% on the FES segment. I mean, what else do you want? That is a perfect set of numbers that M&M has come out with, and therefore the stock has also moved up, and we were already having a buy rating on the stock. And we think we'll be revisiting the numbers post the call.
Ashwin, also, we had, like you mentioned, M&M has posted some strong set of numbers coming in there. We had Hero Moto also posted number yesterday. That was also a decent, good set of numbers coming in for Hero Moto also. Now with the budgetary push, to consumption, and because we are expecting the consumption to pick up first from the premium end, perhaps a big re-rating in the waiting for the auto sector.
Definitely, because Hero MotoCorp is the market leader in the mass or the entry segment. Also, Mahindra & Mahindra, has a very strong presence in the rural markets, where already the rural markets are beating the urban markets. As per the calls that we had, on the auto side, all the OEMs are of the same view that the rural markets are doing great as compared to the urban markets. And M&M, Hero MotoCorp, Maruti, all are having a very strong presence in the rural markets. Even Hyundai, in their recent call, said that the rural market presence is quite strong now. So I think all these companies, I would say the entire auto sector, whoever is strong in the rural markets, the consumption story is quite strong going on because of the budgetary announcements which had happened last week. I think the auto sector definitely is on a strong wicket going forward, because most of the stocks, most of the companies are there in the rural market, and the rural market is quite strong right now. So I think, yes, we need to slightly upgrade our estimates as far as the auto companies are concerned.
Thanks so much for joining us and sharing with us your first take and the outlook going ahead for M&M. Thanks so much.